So over here you can see that I have this particular image, and this particular image is 2000 by 2000 pixels wide right here. So right now the canvas size is also the same. It's 2000 by 2000, the same size as the picture. So if I want to go around and resize out the canvas, then you can go around onto image menu right here, and then you can go around onto canvas size. And right now you can see that it is 2000 by 1950 right here. So what you can do is you can go around onto a template, and then let's say for example choose something else like a larger image size right here. Let's say for example if I were to go around onto 4096 by 2160, then this is the canvas size that you get. You get a small preview right here. You can center it out, or you can click and drag it, and you can change around the offset as well. And you can also resize out the layers, that is all layers or none of the layers right here. So I'm going to fill rest with transparency and click on, let's say for example, resize, and then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now you can see that these are the layers right here. This is the layer, as you can see right here, and then this has been let's say for example resized out. But if I were to go around over here onto image, onto canvas size right here, I can choose, let's say for example, larger image size right here. Let's say for example 8000 over here by, let's say for example let's say 6000 over here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, everything is totally resized, as you can see right here, and you can go around and center this out right here as well. And you can also resize the layers, like I can go around and select all layers and click on resize right here, and what happens is that everything is resized, as you can see right here, and it is filled out. And that is how you can go around and change around the canvas size of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.